employee list. Yeah, how to take all the list of employees, detailed employees, and mixins class. In the mixin, how to convert JSON data, JSON to dictionary, from dictionary to one by one object, unnecessary data I deleted and everything. Now here, sir, if I'm given 300 data is not available there. That record is not there. Open command prompt. First start the server. D drive. CD. REST API. Yes. CD. Without REST model. PY. Manage.py. Run server. Server started fine. Run the partner application. D drive. CD. REST API. CD. Without REST model. PY. Test.py. Something goes wrong, sir, because where it is, something goes wrong. Something goes wrong. Okay. Now I want to print status code. Copy, paste it. Now again send the request, sir. Yes, something goes wrong. What happened? 500. What is the meaning of 500? Status code 500 means which type of error? I'm given 100 means information. 200 means success. 300 means redirectional. 400 means server. 500 means 400 client side. 500 server side. Because in the server database, data is not available. That's why I'm getting the 500. Yes, correct only. So now my question is, how to add status code? How can I add my to the response? My own code I want to add to the response. Okay. Yes. So generally in this total program in the views.py, how to create response object? How I'm creating? Which statement? This statement. This is the meaning of response. So HTTP response is a class. I created one object, inside I'm passing values. That is the way how to create response object. Response object I'm creating like that. Inside this response only, you have to add status equal to 200, 400, 500 like that. Because see, I'm creating HTTP response object. I'm returning. Same response, give last argument as what I'm given you. Status equal to 200, I can provide it there. For example, whenever I can provide it, sir, I'm removing, sorry. That is required. What it is? Try cache block. Yesterday program, 1 minute. If employee does not exist, try except block we are using now. That's one. Desktop. REST API. Yeah. Yesterday, somewhere else I'm using exception handling concept. I'm going this one. Okay. Yes. Try so-and-so employee. If employee does not contain, I'm sending this message. After that, I'm sending the status code. So now here, this one. Now here, if I run the code, yes, the required resource not available, sir, because the required resource is not available there. Now, if you want to print the status code here itself only, come to here, partner application. Okay, if else is not required, you can comment it, because directly I handled save. Now give this. Very good. Now check it, sir, carefully. The problem. Sir, what is the status code I'm getting? 200. 200 means success. But here, what is the problem? The data is not there. Which error we are getting? 404 error we want to get. Because client said mistake. I am given request, observe carefully. I am given request. What I am asking? Yeah, 300 record is not there. So client mistake. But it is showing, which one it is showing? 200. 200 means success. So to resolve this problem, I am using, what I am using? I want to add my own status code. So now come to our views, sir. Here, whenever required response is not there, you have to return this response immediately with the status code. What is the status code I can provide it? Your wish. Something 404. Suppose if it is a success, here status code 200 you can give. Now check it, sir, carefully. The problem I resolved it. If the record is not there, which one came? 404. If the value is available, come to partner application. Third record is there. Save. Now check it. Which status code came? 200. Am I resolved it or not? That's why, sir, we are using which one? How to set the status code. Like that you can give. Simple way. That is the reason we can go to this. So here, what I did is in views.py, just accept block, and this block I changed. On the accept block and this one. Get method, I am adding the status. Enough. If it is wrong, 404. If it is okay, 1. But here a small problem is there. That is, sir, why are you writing 2 times this code? First time, second time, third time. Same code I am reusing every time. So what to do? Mix in. Yes. Already mix in class is there. Here one class is there, serialize. Take another class here. New class you can take. Class HTTP response mixin. This is the class. Sir, it is always parent for object class only. Yes. Def, take a method. The method name, any name. Render to HTTP response. Inside the first variable self, comma. What is the data? JSON data. Comma, what is the status code? Status equal to 200. Yes, if 200 means it is success. Now I want to return this one. This one. Mix in. Return that status. Completed. Now, sir, this is the class available there. Mari, I am using HTTP response kada. You can import from Django dot HTTP import HTTP response. Yes, completed. So this class you can take in mixin.py. How to use that one in views.py? Class is there. How to use? First of all, you have to inherit that class or not? Yes, ikkada. What is the class name? HTTP response mixin. I extended. Okay, done. But import that one first of all. Where it is available? From test app dot mixins. Yeah. Import HTTP response mixin. Inherit. Sorry, put it chunde. You don't write this statement. Simple. Remove all these nonsense. Just you have to self current class object. What is method name? కాదు our method name ఏమి ఇచ్చాను అక్కడ? render to HTTP response. Inside I can pass JSON data, comma, status code. What it is? 404. Suppose if it is success here, you don't write anything, just self dot render to HTTP response. Inside you can pass JSON data. Completed. Because status code not required already, here I am comparing the status code. If the status code equal to 200, ఇక్కడ I am return function. If it is 200, it will execute. Now check it carefully. Now send it. Reusability purpose. Test.py. Wamo. These many errors came. Go to server. Oh, sorry. If any error is there, don't bother. Server చూడండి వాడు చెప్తున్నాడు simple. What they're telling? అంటే this thing already we know Python. Types of arguments 4 are there. Positional, keyword, default, variable. First always position, తర్వాత keyword. అంటే at the time of passing I did mistake. Where I am passing arguments here. This is okay. Keyword only. Direct value. Check it, sir. Yes. Sir, first argument is positional. Second, key value pair. Third, position. That is the problem. So first always position last status equal to, you can give that status. Means whatever status code you've given, this status will be adding. That is only mistake. Now check the server. Yes, restarted. Here, run the partner application. Yes, py test.py. Available employee. Suppose if employee is not there, 300. Now I am getting 404. What happened again? ఆగండి. Model does not exist. Employee matching query does not exist. Type error. Yeah. Got unexpected keyword argument to status code. ikkada పోయింది. Come here. Check it. Sorry. ikkada. Sorry. Status equal to. That is the mistake. Yes. Now check it carefully. Yes, sir. If the data is not there, this is output. So this is the way. Mixins. After mixins, views.py. Just to call this method by using self. Where here in except block, else block. ఎక్కడ where ఎక్కడ line number 25. ఇక్కడ ఓకే status equal to status. Now if I run the partner application, if the value is not there, you will get correct status code. If the value is available, you will get the 200. That's why we have to set the status. That is the reason, sir, why using this concept. Sometimes response not completed properly, even though we are getting 200 success code. That is the reason. This is the way how to set our status code. What is the next one? So now my requirement is how to print total records into the console. There are some records are there. How many are there? 4 or 5 are there. Okay. Am I created super user here? Okay. Where is the server address? This is copy, paste, API kaadu, sorry, admin. Yeah. Sir, here some employees are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 employees are there. Okay, done. This is total information I want to display to the console. How to display? A function, common reusability function. Previous class already explained. One method here, one normal method you can take F also. But meaningful name, I am render to the HTTP response. HTTP response object created now. This is JSON data I forwarded to with HTTP response. Reusability purpose I created one function name. Any name you can take. Sir, chunde. I want to dump the total data to anyone. How to display total data to the console? For loop. Observe. Sir, what is the meaning of this one? Explanation not required. What it is? Py manage.py. Tarvata run server or else make migrations. Migrate. So many we are using. Same here also. You can use the function. What it is? Dump data. From where? Test app. What is your table name? Employee. Check it. What is happening? Copy. Where you can run this one? From the command prompt. Yes. CLS. Run it. Getting data or not? Yes. Which type of data I am getting? It is a which type? JSON, not HTTP. This is displaying employee data to the console. Not for loop, nothing. Dump function. What it is? Dump data. By default, which format it is coming? ఇది ఫంక్షన్ లోడ్ లేదు. లోడ్స్ ఎప్పుడు విత్ ఇన్ ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో JSON ఉంటే, ఇది కమాండ్ లైన్ కమాండ్ ఆర్గ్యుమెంట్స్. ఇదేంటంటే py managed, I'm running file. These are called as command line arguments. Now Sir, default format is which format? JSON. Sir, adi koncham I'm not able to reading this one. I have some dictionary format required, some indentation, some 2-3 spaces, 4 spaces indentation I can require. Okay, what I was doing is employed hyphen indent means indentation. Enni kavali? 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 your wish. Observe careful now what happened output. Output same only, but some readable format. అదిగోండి didn't indent ఇవ్వలేదా? సారీ, hyphen indent 3 or 4 or 5 your wish. Now check it. Readable format came. ఇదిగోండి ఫస్ట్ రికార్డ్ అంటే జస్ట్ అండర్స్టాండబుల్ మీనింగ్ పర్పస్. సెకండ్ వన్, థర్డ్ వన్, ఫోర్త్ వన్, సాయిబాబా, అమిత్, సుబ్బారెడ్డి, సన్నీ. ఇండెంటేషన్ అంటే స్పేసెస్, ట్యాబ్ స్పేస్. 4 రికార్డ్స్ ఉంది, 4 అంటున్నావు. కాదు, సమ్ ట్యాబ్ స్పేస్ 3, 2, 1 స్పేస్ ఈస్ కమింగ్. అది 4 రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయని కాదు. సార్ సపోజ్ same, this is the second way. Third way is dump employee format JSON hyphen. Observe what is happening now. Copy, come to here. Sir, ఏమి ఇచ్చాం మనం ఇప్పుడు? py manage date py dump data test FM. And I'm asking format. Which format? JSON format. Am I getting same output or not? By default JSON. If you want to give format, both are same only. Enduku format means observe. Sir, I don't want JSON. I want XML. Then what to do? Give XML. Ante sir, second, third, both are same only. Sir, why are you using format means someone is asking, sir, I don't want JSON. I can require XML. Sorry, copy, paste it. What I want to give? XML. Check it. All XML tags came. Idigondi. First object, field, 100, Sunny 1200. Second, 200. Subbareddy 15,000. Third, Amit. Fourth, Sai Baba. Like that, you can read your data. XML format also. I'm printing in the console. So don't print in console, save into a file. Tomorrow, maybe at the time of sending, sir, common sending format JSON and XML. Already we discussed. SOAPI means XML format we can send. JSON we are. For example, sir, how to save into a particular file? This